A top secret court order is forcing Verizon to turn over all phone records for calls made in the U.S. to the National Security Agency, and not just calls made to overseas numbers. When you call grandma in Nebraska, the NSA knows. This is a wide, indiscriminate net. They're not even looking for someone specific. When a call is made, Verizon turns over this information.
The catchy headline, NSA tool collects nearly everything a user does on the internet. It's called KeyScore.
The key to KeyScore is that it's a program used by the NSA to collect all internet activity, everything they can collect, store it, and then allow their analysts, low-level analysts with access to terminals, to search whatever it is they want and find out what your emails say, what internet sites you visited, what Google search terms you've entered, and pretty much anything else that you do on the internet. It's an all-purpose spying device that really...
Snowden's revelation in 2013 was the biggest leak of secret information in history. It showed the world how extensive the government surveillance is and sparked a global debate about security and privacy. In the name of national security, our contacts, location, preferences, communication are collected en masse by the intelligence agencies around the world with cutting-edge data mining technology. On the one hand, we know that government should have the proper tools to protect us. But what if the tools that were supposed to protect us is actually harming us? The government has access to the servers of Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and more, meaning that our emails, photos, audio and video chat, nearly everything that we do on the internet, are not private. But it's not just privacy and security that is at stake. Government or not, the idea that a third party has access to our privacy changes the way we communicate and the way we live. Where did it go wrong? And what can we do to fix it?
Government, within its mandate to ensure safety of its citizens, should be mandated that it could, under certain conditions, have access to certain types of data. A normal procedure would be court order that then allows the government to look into a specific set of data that may be private, but only under court order in the cases that there is a substantiated suspicion that there might be some sort of danger for social order or for security of citizens, or there is undergoing criminal activity. But outside of that, I don't think there is any serious justification.
As Dr. Usage said, the surveillance programs certainly need to have legal foundings. On the bright side, internet has become a safer place since 2013. At the time, only a small fraction of web traffic was encrypted. Now Facebook, Google, and Apple have made encryption by default a central part of their products. And almost 80% of web traffic is encrypted.
We have gone from an era where the founding fathers of the United States entrenched a zone of reasonable privacy within our home space. In the laws, we had this expectation of privacy to an arena where we are right now, where actually technology is moving at such a fast rate and we're interfacing with it so much that not only do we not have some sort of reasonable expectation of privacy within this home space, but rather even in our mental spaces. We're interfacing online constantly all day, whether we're actually trying to or not, with the internet. Our packets of data, our packets of personal data of where we're traveling, metadata such as who we're interacting with. First thing we need to do as a society is to recraft, considering the modern technologies that we have, what is this space which is private for us as individuals? I would argue that it's not necessarily just our home space, but it's also our mental space. And the idea is, until we can craft a set of laws to re-articulate what is this zone of reasonable expectation of privacy, we're going to be in a dangerous zone for all sorts of privacy issues and free speech.
As we have entered a new era of technology, we need to re-articulate the meaning of privacy if we want to solve privacy issues. And also, we need to be aware of this issue and keep talking about it.